Hey, it's Sarah, and I was just sent this tennis rebounder. Now this is great because you can go out and practice without having a partner. This thing does it all. You get 3 balls, so that way if one does break or you lose it or whatever, you've got an extra one. But these are nice, sturdy balls. You've got this rebounder here, which actually has a non-slip grip here on the bottom, a nice carrying handle, an area to be able to put the ball, and this does extend all the way out. So you have this elastic cord that goes about 14 feet. So that is fantastic. Then whenever you're done, you can easily wrap this up right around here. It's got a nice area for the cord as well. So then whenever you're using it, you just sit it down, you get your racket, and you can hit it. Ball comes right back to you, and you are ready to go as long as you want to go. Practice any serve you want to do. This rebounder will be right here to help you with your practice.